It's never been easier to win, and the proof is everywhere if you're paying attention. Look at Elon Musk, a man who literally went from being broke and couch surfing to building PayPal, then selling it and using that money to launch Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and more. He didn't wait for permission. He didn't ask anyone to believe in his vision. He created it anyway. Same with Mark Zuckerberg, who didn't start Facebook in some corporate office with investors lined up. He built it from a tiny dorm room with nothing but a laptop and an idea. And that's the point. The world doesn't care where you start anymore. It cares if you start. Look at Steve Jobs, no college degree. Started Apple in a garage. Became one of the most iconic entrepreneurs of all time. Jeff Bezos started Amazon in his garage, packaging books by hand. Now he owns one of the most powerful companies on the planet. None of these people waited for the world to choose them. They chose themselves. And right now, it's easier than it has ever been for anyone to do the same. The internet removed every barrier. You don't need a boss. You don't need a loan. You don't need connections. What you need is the courage to try. You're living in a time where you can pull out your phone, record a video, and potentially reach millions in hours. MrBeast did exactly that. Started making videos in his bedroom as a teenager with no fancy equipment. And today he's one of the most successful YouTubers on the planet. Not because he was the best at the start. In fact, his early videos were terrible. But he showed up over and over until he figured it out. Same thing with Gary Vee. Immigrant family. Started by helping his dad's small wine business. Realized YouTube was the future and started making videos. Today, he runs multiple companies, speaks globally, and dominates social media. The difference between them and everyone else? They started. Look at philosophers like Confucius, who once said, "It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop." This applies more today than ever before. Every single successful person in history started messy, started unsure, started with doubt, but they started anyway. Meanwhile, most people sit stuck, paralyzed by perfection, waiting for some magical signal that never comes. They consume, they scroll, they watch others win and wonder why they're stuck. But the winners? They realize the internet is the ultimate cheat code. You can build a business in 24 hours. You can create a personal brand. You can sell a product, offer a service, share a skill, or teach something and reach people all over the world instantly. Look at Alex Hormozi. Started from nothing, failed multiple times. Today, he's teaching millions how to build businesses, stacking wealth, and impacting lives globally, all by leveraging the internet and showing up every day. You don't have to be a billionaire to win like this. Ordinary people are doing it every day. Single moms starting Etsy stores, teenagers flipping sneakers online, people selling courses, coaching, editing videos, managing social media, all from their bedrooms. iTools now let you do what used to require entire teams. You don't need to hire a designer. AI does that. You don't need to be a coder. No-code apps handle it. You don't even need to know how to edit. Apps do it for you. The tools are here. The only thing missing is your decision. Look at the story of Colonel Sanders. At 65 years old, broke and rejected over 1,000 times, he built KFC. Imagine if he thought it was too late. It's never too late. The only real failure is never starting. And the internet makes starting almost risk-free. Post a bad video? Nobody cares. Sell a product that flops? Learn, tweak, relaunch. Failure today is just feedback, not a death sentence. The person willing to post 100 bad videos will always outpace the person waiting to post one perfect video. And here's the secret: nobody remembers your bad posts. They only remember when you win. The world rewards consistency. It rewards momentum. It rewards the person who gets up one more time than everyone else. Look at Oprah. Born into poverty, abused, counted out by almost everyone. And yet, she rose. She didn't let her circumstances define her. She showed up. She built. She spoke. And today, she's one of the most powerful women on the planet. If she can do it, what's your excuse? Look at Jay-Z. Grew up in the projects. Nobody would give him a record deal. So he created his own label. He sold CDs out of the trunk of his car. Today, billionaire. Empire. All because he decided not to wait for someone else to choose him. This is the blueprint. Stop waiting. Stop doubting. Stop thinking someone is coming to save you. Nobody is. But the good news? You don't need anyone to. The tools are here. The platforms are here. The opportunity is bigger than it's ever been. But the window won't stay open forever. The people who start now will dominate later. The people who wait, they'll regret it. You're either consuming or creating. You're either building or watching. There's no middle ground. And if you think the market is saturated, understand this: nobody can saturate being you. Nobody has your voice, your story, your lens, your perspective. And that's your superpower. The algorithm rewards authenticity. The market rewards value. Show up. Sell something. Teach something. Share something. Build something. This isn't about being the smartest. This isn't about being the luckiest. This is about being the most consistent. The one who refuses to quit. The one who shows up when others are tired. The one who understands that patience isn't passive, it's aggressive. And if you're sitting there wondering, but where do I start? The answer is simple. Anywhere. Start messy. Start small. Just start. Post the video. Launch the store. Offer the service. Sell the product. Teach the thing. Write the post. Whatever it is, do it now. Because clarity comes from action, not overthinking. You don't think your way into confidence. You act your way into it. You build your way into success. And if this is hitting you right now, if you're ready to stop watching other people win and start winning yourself, then this is your sign. Hit that like button. Smash that subscribe. Turn on the bell. Because we are dropping videos like this every single day to help you escape the 9 to 5. To help you win in this digital economy, and to make sure you're ahead while everyone else is still stuck scrolling. Your future is waiting. Let's get it.